Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best TA increaser is probably one of the most essential chemicals for hot tub owners to maintain water balance. Total alkalinity plays a crucial role in stabilizing pH levels, preventing corrosion, and ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable soaking experience. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of TA increasers, exploring their importance, how to use them effectively, and which products stand out from the crowd. Number 5. Clorox Pool&Spa Alkalinity Increaser. This alkalinity increaser helps keep your pool's pH balanced. Its granulated formula is easy to apply and dissolves quickly, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. This product prevents eye and skin irritation. It helps avoid dry, itchy skin and red, burning eyes, making your swimming experience more enjoyable. By maintaining balanced pH, it helps prevent equipment corrosion. This allows you to spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your pool. This product is suitable for new pools, freshly refilled pools, and those using liquid chlorine. It's a versatile solution for any pool owner. Test your pool water like an expert with the Clorox Pool app. Get personalized product and dosage recommendations to solve common pool problems. What we like. This product keeps your pool water in perfect balance, ensuring a comfortable swimming experience. It prevents eye and skin irritation, making your time in the pool more enjoyable. If you're looking for a product that protects your equipment while enhancing your comfort, this is the one for you. What people say. The product is easy to use. It works great to increase the total alkalinity in my hot tub. It is a good product. Number 4. AquaDoc Non-Chlorine Spa Shock. Tired of dealing with unpleasant substances in your hot tub? This non-chlorine shock enhances your existing sanitizers, extending their effectiveness. It helps your sanitizer work better and reduces that strong chemical odor. This product eliminates chloramines, which are responsible for that harsh chlorine smell. Whether you have a hot tub or spa, this treatment is an effective way to oxidize the water. This non-chlorine shock is designed to work with both bromine and chlorine sanitizers. It helps to minimize the chemical smell associated with these sanitizers. Made with the highest quality standards, this liquid hot tub shock specializes in eliminating organic matter and preventing chloramine buildup. It's incredibly easy to use and requires no pre-dissolving. With AquaDoc, you're guaranteed consistent, high-quality hot tub chemicals that deliver effective results every time. By choosing this product, you're supporting hardworking Americans. We are committed to providing top-quality products and exceptional customer service to every customer. What we like. This non-chlorine shock gives your sanitizer a boost, making it last longer and reducing that heavy chlorine smell. It's designed to kill organics and prevent chloramine buildup. If you like a hassle-free solution that enhances your sanitizer's efficiency, you should consider this. What people say. It works great and is easy to use. The product is easy to use and does what it is supposed to do. This product works great and is easy to use. Number 3. AquaDoc Spa Chlorine Granules. Are you looking for a fast and effective way to sanitize your hot tub? This product is designed to dissolve quickly, ensuring your spa water is clean and clear. It's a reliable solution for maintaining a healthy hot tub environment. These chlorinating granules from AquaDoc work rapidly to purify your hot tub or spa. Using this product, you can quickly achieve clean and clear water. It's an easy and efficient way to keep your spa water in top condition. This product is perfect for both hot tubs and spas, effectively treating any buildup. It makes it easy to adjust the dosage, ensuring the right amount of chlorine is used. It's a favorite among spa owners for its ease of use and effectiveness. Maintaining your spa is made easy with these chlorinating granules. This product helps combat hot tub foam and is very easy to use. It's a dependable choice for spa owners, simplifying the maintenance process. These spa sanitizing granules are specially formulated to maintain the balance of your hot tub chemistry. This product is made with top-quality spa chemicals. It's the ultimate choice for a clean and well-maintained spa. With this product, you're guaranteed consistent, high-quality hot tub chemicals. By choosing this product, you're supporting hardworking Americans. We are committed to providing top-quality products and exceptional customer service. What we like. This product uses fast-acting chlorinating granules to quickly clean your hot tub water. It makes spa maintenance easy and helps maintain a balance in your hot tub chemistry. If you are looking for a reliable, easy-to-use product made in the USA, this is a great choice. What people say. It dissolves quickly and helps maintain water clarity. It is easy to open and use, and the size of the cap is the perfect amount to maintain spa validity. Slender packaging does not take up a lot of room. Number 2. AquaDoc Bromine Hot Tub Starter Kit. This kit has everything you need to maintain your spa. It includes bromine tablets, boosters, and various chemicals. It ensures your spa is always in top condition. Keep your water clear and balanced with this kit. The rapid dissolving bromine chemicals quickly remove cloudy water. This makes it easy to enjoy your spa. Extend the life of your hot tub with the included calcium increaser and metal prevent. These help balance the water and prevent metal buildup. This keeps it looking great. This kit includes both pH increaser and decreaser. This allows you to easily maintain the correct chemistry. It's perfect for inflatable hot tubs. AquaDoc is a leader in the spa industry, producing high-quality chemicals. This kit provides everything you need to keep your hot tub in perfect condition. It's proudly made in the USA. What we like. This complete kit provides everything you need to keep your spa pristine, including bromine tablets and various chemicals. It helps maintain crystal clear water and prolongs the life of your hot tub. If you're starting with a new hot tub or looking for a comprehensive solution, it's the perfect choice. What people say. It works great and is easy to use. This product is exactly what I needed to raise the alkalinity in my hot tub. I have used this product several times and it works great. Number 1. Robelle 10 pounds Alkalinity Up. This product is designed to increase the total alkalinity of your pool water. It's a simple solution to maintain the perfect water balance for your pool. By using this product, you can keep your pool's pH level stable. This helps to ensure a comfortable swimming experience. The ideal range for total alkalinity is between 60 to 120 ppm. This product helps you achieve and maintain that range. Adding 11 ounces of this product will raise the alkalinity by 10 ppm per 5,000 gallons of water. It's easy to use and effective. This product helps prevent equipment corrosion and plaster damage. Using it will extend the life of your pool. What we like. This product raises total alkalinity and helps keep your pool water pH stable, preventing equipment corrosion. It's a simple solution to maintain the perfect water balance. If you have a pool and want to prevent equipment damage, it's a great option. What people say. It works great and is easy to use. The product is exactly as described and works great. This product is a must-have for hot tub owners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.